Hello everyone, this is the AOL CNC channel. Today, I will bring you an important video to tell you how to avoid pitfalls of buying a CNC cutting machine, summarize some common mistakes, and help you make a right decision, which will save you a lot of time and cost. Let's go! Before choosing a cutting machine, you need to confirm your needs. Do you really need a cutter? Can it solve your problems after purchasing it? What materials do you need to cut, hard or soft, and the work area you need. And this is very important. What's your budget? In other words, what functions do you want to within this range? Budget only the price of purchasing a machine and the transportation cost, and also the taxes and the maintenance and the consumables. Above all, that's what should be concerned. Next, you should know more professional knowledge. First of all, we need to start with cutting technology. Do you know laser cutting, water cutting, or knife cutting? Of course, every cone has two sides. And for example, knife cutting is suitable for soft materials, and the gauge of the laser cutting is not good, also the smell. And you should accept the machine's two sides. So after the point, we must consider the intelligence, which is key to improving the production efficiency. We need to know more about the knowledge of cutting machine system and whether it's operator friendly to ensure it's suitable for the skill level. The CNC cutting machine is a large machine. We also need to check its machine structure and the machine steadiness, whether it's accurate in the processing component parts, and whether there are well-designed safety features which can extend the service life of the cutting machine and improve the product quality. Quality is a life. There are other upsides that have to be considered, such as the reputation and the technical support of the cutting machine manufacturer. Check more useful information from our reviews on our websites. And a very critical factor is the warranty and the maintenance of the CNC cutting machine. Elevate the cost and the availability of the repair services. I think you don't want to buy a CNC cutting machine and no one cares about when something goes wrong. This will cause many problems. Okay, today we discussed the pitfalls of purchasing CNC cutting machines from 3 websites and learned some important knowledge. Before we make this decision, you better to watch this video, and you can get a machine that you are satisfied and valuable. At the same time, if you have other reference, you can comment below this video and you will get more suggestions from us. Okay, today's video ends here, and I want to promote my company. AOL has 15 years experience on manufacturing the CNC cutters, and if you have any ideas or questions, please call Logan and share your ideas. Thanks for your watching.